Which of the numerous watch bands and straps should you buy for your Apple Watch Ultra in order to perfectly match its rugged design and function flawlessly to complement your outfit or even your current activity?
Okay.
In this video, we will be talking about the best bands and straps you should buy for your Apple Watch Ultra. Alpine Loop. One of the newest Apple Watch Ultra bands available is the Tough Alpine Loop, which was made by flawlessly weaving two layers of cloth together without the use of stitches. The top loops are reinforced with high-strength yarns, and it comes with a corrosion-resistant titanium G-hook that can be slid into the loops for a tight fit. The $99 Alpine Loop comes in a beautiful orange color, a green color, and a starlight option that you can choose from, depending on your preference. Later on in this video, we will be giving you some equally good low-cost band options, so keep watching to find out.
Don't go anywhere.
The Alpine Loop also comes in various sizes: small, medium, and large. Find your perfect size by measuring your wrist, converting it to millimeters, and choosing your band size. Ensure that you do not choose one that tightens your wrist too much. The small size best fits wrists between 130 millimeters and 160 millimeters. The medium best fits wrists between 145 millimeters and 190 millimeters. And the large best fits wrists between 165 millimeters and 210 millimeters. Ocean Band. If you spend a lot of time in water, especially swimming, with your Apple Watch Ultra, then you should consider purchasing this particular band. The Ocean Band's tubular design and high-performance elastomer construction enables it to expand for a perfect fit, even when worn over a wetsuit. During fast-paced water activities, the buckle's titanium construction resists corrosion, and an adjustable loop keeps the band in place. An extension band is also available separately for extra length. The Apple Ocean Band costs $99 and comes in three lovely colors: white, midnight, and yellow.
Wow, I didn't see that coming.
Trail Loop. The nylon weave used to make the thin, light trail loop results in a soft band with greater elasticity for a comfortable fit. The band has an easy pull tab that allows for quick adjustments while you're out and about. Each of these bands is made up of two colors, with a yellow/beige combination, a blue/gray combination, and a black/gray option to choose from. Like most original Apple Watch bands, the Trail Loop costs $99. Hayflyer Carbon Fiber Band. This strap is composed completely of 3K carbon fiber with a reinforced chain link structure that offers unmatched breathability while being exceptionally flexible, skin-friendly, and light. It costs $95, and each link is painstakingly machined and hand-finished to ensure a flawlessly smooth, seamless fit. It is the perfect complement to the rugged Apple Watch Ultra design. For more product reviews and videos about devices like these, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on any of our timely updates. Nomad Rugged Band. Created to offer your Apple Watch a contemporary tough style for everyday use or on your upcoming adventure. Nomad says its band is a rugged band made of FKM, a fluoroelastomer that combines strength and softness for all-day comfort. Nomad says they chose FKM for its lightweight and flexibility, creating a modern design that perfectly pairs with the Apple Watch Ultra. It also comes with a stainless steel buckle and lugs. The Nomad Rugged Band is one of the most affordable on the market, retailing for $59.95 and available in black or ultra orange. Soon, we will be talking about the M Band Apple Watch Ultra Band, which is amazingly inexpensive and also includes a case to protect your watch screen. Keep watching to find out.
Is that it?
No, there's more.
Spigen Dura Pro Flex Band. The Spigen Dura Pro Flex Band, which costs $29.99, is our top recommendation for individuals on a tight budget. Since the band is porous, it can quickly dry after a good sweat and maintain its position throughout strenuous activities. Spigen has recently entered the Apple Watch market with several outstanding products, and its Dura Pro Flex Band is no exception. The band is composed of a durable, lightweight cloth and is completely adjustable with a zinc alloy buckle for a perfect fit on your wrist. and Band Apple Watch Ultra Band and Case. The Apple Watch Band and Case and Band M1 provides all-round protection for your Apple Watch and case. It comes with a raised bezel that shields your Apple Watch screen. Aside from the tough band with a stainless steel buckle, you will also get a case and screen protectors for keeping your Apple Watch Ultra screen safe when you purchase the Band Apple Watch Ultra Band and Case. At $49.90, it certainly ranks among the most affordable Apple Watch bands available. Which of the Apple Watch Ultra bands is your favorite? Tell us in the comment section. Aside from the most recent Apple Watch Ultra, the Apple Watch SE2 is one of the most efficient and popular Apple smartwatches available today. We offer you a beginner's guide to using your Apple Watch SE2 in our next video. Best way to use Apple Watch SE2. Best Beginner Guide. Be sure to check it out.